There couldn't be a more fundamental question we need to be asking in order to really thrive in our lives. Becoming self-aware really is the hallmark to our freedom and our joy and just living a life that we're born to live. To become self-aware, there's a couple of ways to do this. The first, the royal road to increased self-awareness is meditation. And the reason that that is true is meditation is like a fitness routine for your mind and your brain and your body, where you are able to separate the thoughts that you have from who you are and increase this space between stimulus and our response to that so that we are more at choice. So if you really want to increase your self-awareness, I highly recommend looking into a meditation program that resonates with you. And then very simply, to increase self-awareness, what you want to do is you want to wake up to how you are feeling. So to become more self-aware, there's a practice that I use with a lot of my clients, which is you want to start narrowing in on exactly the emotions that you're feeling when you're feeling them. Because most of us are really good at saying, oh, I feel good, I feel bad, I'm happy, I'm sad, and that's about it. But there is a treasure trove of these emotions that are happening that vary in degrees. And if we can get good at describing them, then that actually increases our self-awareness. So for example, if you're finding that you're feeling sad in a moment, well, if you can get curious and go, well, wait, is it sad? Because chances are it's going to be something along the lines of either vulnerable or fragile or disappointed or frustrated or apathetic. There are so many different kinds of emotions that we could be feeling that fall in the sad category. And if you can get really good at pinpointing that, you're going to increase that muscle of self-awareness. And if you want to make this a practice to get really good at it, what I recommend is just take your phone and you want to set just a couple of like 5 to 10 timers through the day to go off randomly. And when it goes off, just check in with yourself and ask, well, what am I feeling right now? And at that moment, that's when you want to get granular. I'm feeling interested, or I'm feeling curious, or I'm feeling disappointed, whatever it might be. But whatever that granular feeling is, when you touch into that, you're building that muscle of self-awareness.